Okay, good morning everyone. This is Roger Bradley, Elliott Fitness Enterprise. I'm glad for you guys tuning in. We're going to focus on some plyometric exercises today, which are really fun and challenging. This is interesting about plyometrics. It combines strength training and cardiovascular exercising. It really is a power type of exercise that takes speed into account. So this is going to really get your lower extremity involved. You got to know where your body's at. It's very explosive. There's some change in directions. There's some balancing involved. There's a host of variety of things. Okay, so just check us out for a while and make sure that you are tuned in to YouTube channel and you guys just officially join. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do several things. Getting started now.